In this simulated instance, the waste tube's plug has not been inserted correctly in the waste container, and the washing station will eventually overflow. Please note that the blue light will then turn off and inhibit further robotic actions. Start by inserting the plug in the waste container, which will drain the washing station tower and most of the base part. When the water seems to have stopped running, remove the washing station tower and dry up the trench. Make sure to dry the dip in the base thoroughly. When inserting the washing station tower afterwards, make sure it is fully seated and vertical, as it may otherwise damage the pipettes.